which layers should you actually be getting for your haircut? This is a haircut that I did not that long ago. It's kind of like my signature layered haircut. As you can see, everything really just flows into itself so perfectly, so beautifully. And this is a haircutting method called the TCS, top corner sides method, that I'm officially launching, which basically explains how to cut layers the right way so that you can have a beautiful flowing haircut. And I'll be launching a course very, very soon on how to cut hair with this method. But what does that mean? Well, I always say it's all about the top, the corners, and the sides, following how the hair grows out from your head. So there's two parts of this. One, if you're a client watching this, you're someone going to a salon to get your hair cut, and I've been getting so many comments on a lot of my layered videos saying, Salon Guy, I can't find anyone to cut hair the right way. No one knows how to layer hair. And that's true. It's like that with anything. There are really talented people, and there's people that are just mediocre, or there's maybe people who don't know how to specialize in a certain type of cut. I've been doing this for a very, very long time. I've trained internationally. I've put years and years, over 30 years of practice and learning into my craft. That is why these haircuts come out like this. It reflects in it. If you go to get your haircut and you show them a photo of this haircut or a video and say, oh, can you do this? You can't expect everyone to do it the exact same way, to do it better, to do it worse. There's going to be a variety of people. So firstly, you have to understand what is the right layered shape for you, because sometimes it's not always the professional, and this is where now I'm going to talk on the professional's behalf, is that sometimes you have expectations that just, your hair may not be the right hair texture, might not be the right hair length, the right density. You may want something that you simply can't get. Now, there is a fine line between that of what your hair type is and what you can get. I can basically do a very similar, beautifully flowed, layered haircut on fine hair, on thick hair, on curly hair, wave hair. So a lot of times, and I'm trying to really give stylists and hair professionals the benefit of the doubt, but there comes like a crossover between they just simply aren't talented enough. Obviously, there are hundreds of thousands, who knows, of talented hairstylists out there. But like, again, with anything, there are ones that just aren't up to date with cutting these, or whatever happens, you can't find someone in your area. I can't control where you live. I can't control your budget of what you want to pay for a haircut. A lot of those things are important. What layering should you be getting? Well, first of all, what type of style do you want? Do you want to have layers that have kind of like a medium length flow to it like this, to where you see the feathering happening here? Do you want it to happen up here? Do you want it to happen way down here? So you have to really first pinpoint, where do you want your layers to really be seen the most? Because layering is a technique that's going to remove weight. So if I hold this hair up and I cut this piece, it's going to fall right here. You're going to see that hair, a line or a step. If that's not connected or blended or cut the proper way to balance itself out, AKA a good haircut, which is what you're not getting, then you're just going to have chomps and steps in your hair. And that's the problem. It's technically the people don't know how to cut layers the right way. This goes for men's hair, layered haircuts, women's layered haircuts. A lot of it ends up being very technical. If you want a specific type of look, then you have to then communicate that with the hair professional and say, maybe show some photos, but going beyond that, you could say, I want my layers to be kind of like in this area, maybe like a face frame that starts here and angles down, so that when I brush this back, I'm seeing the layers more here. I don't want anything too high. You have to actually explain to us as professionals what you actually want. Now, I know some of you may be like, well, I'm not a hairstylist, I don't know technical terms. Don't worry about that. Just show visual cues saying, I want my layers to start here, or I want it to go real short. I want my layers to be up here, so it all feathers back. I want all this to just be feathered back and flowing back, kind of like a retro 80s haircut, or a 70s feathered haircut. Just use references and show the photos. Point out what you like. Then it's up to the hair professional to be like, well, you know what, with your hair type, that's not really going to work too well, or your face shape, it's not going to work too well, or whatever it is. That's where you find out like what layers are going to work best for you. And with layering, and this gets a little more advanced, there's really 3 types. There's square, round, and triangular. Triangular is going short to long, so it's gonna slim the face down. Everything is going like, think like an angled bob where it goes short and then works its way longer. That's slimming for the face. Then you've got very square layers, which is like a box, which means it's gonna lay very flat and close to the head in through here. So somebody who wants to have the head, the hair a bit closer, not a lot of volume in through here, longer layers down through here. And then my personal favorite, which I always do, is more of a rounded shape, which the TCS, the top corner sides method, that's where it applies. So everything is being pulled out from the head. To me, that grows out the best. It looks the best. If I want longer layers, I'll just go from holding it here to just longer. Like, it's all about how far from the head you're holding the hair before you cut it. That's my personal favorite. So if you want to have more of a natural shape, you want to add some volume to your hair, to your haircut, then rounded layers are probably the best way to go. But again, these are all things that your professional should be sharing with you. Let me know in the comments below. How's your haircut right now? Are you having issues with it? Do you not know? I offer virtual consultations, private one-on-one Zoom calls. It's a VIP service. I do it on a weekly basis with people from all over the world. You can actually click here where it says view products and book one with me. If you are tired of hairstylists or barbers not giving you the right haircuts because you don't know what you should be getting, I can help you. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.